Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss about what is management and what are the objectives of management. Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling the resources, which include people, finance, materials and information to achieve the specific goals and objectives in an effective manner. So this is the process of management. According to Harold Notes, management is the art of getting things done through and with people, informally organized groups. So according to Henri Fayol, to manage is to forecast and to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and to control. So according to Peter Drucker, management is a multi-purpose organ that manages business and manages the managers and manages workers and work. So next, what are the objectives of management? So of course, management have certain goals and objectives to achieve an effective utilization of its resources and a coordination of these activities. So that is the first objective of the management. It provides a framework for the managing process, that is planning, organizing, leading and controlling the activities. Then of course, according to the specific industry or specific company, so they should have the specific objectives which is based on the nature of the organization, their industry and its stakeholders. So let me see one by one. So first objective of the management is profitability. Of course, one of the primary objective is profit. Yes. So it should ensure the financial viability and profitability of the organization. So we should maximizing the revenue and minimizing the cost. So we should ensure the positive bottom line in profitability. The second thing is customer satisfaction. So of course, we are going to work for the customer. So the customer satisfaction is very, very important. Meeting customer needs and expectations is very crucial for the long-term success of any organization. So we should develop the products or deliver the products or services mainly to satisfy the customer. So then only we can able to build the lasting relationship. So the next thing is efficiency and productivity. So we should have a balance between this efficiency and productivity. So we should have a balance between this efficiency and productivity. Yes, so this involves the optimizing process. So you should utilize the resources effectively, then only we can able to minimize the waste. So there should be a balance. Always have a balance between this productivity and efficiency. So the next thing is innovation. So of course, to stay ahead in the market, so we should have creativity and continuous improvement and encouraging the new ideas and technologies. So then only we can able to competitive in the industry. So innovation is a very important objective. So then next comes employee satisfaction and development. So of course, if you satisfy the employees who are working in our company, then we should have a positive work environment. So of course, they are the pillars of the company. So we should promote the employee satisfaction and invest, of course, to invest in training and development to enhance their skills and capabilities. So that is also needed. So employee satisfaction and development is also one of the objective of management. The next one is social responsibility. Management may set objectives related to the corporate social responsibility environmental sustainability, and of course ethical business practices. So this is also one of the objective of the management. The next thing is market leadership. So to maintain the market leader, okay, the management sets some objectives to achieve and maintain the competitive advantage. Yes, so it can achieve either be market share or brand recognition or technological innovation, anything. But you should maintain the position as a market leader. So we should have the technological innovation is then next management objective of the management is risk management. So it is very important the safety. Okay, the management aims to identify, assess, and mitigate the risks that could impact the organization. So this is also one of the important objective of management. And the last one is long-term growth is to maintain a long-term perspective. So if you aiming for the sustainable growth and ensuring the organization's viability in the future. So that is a long-term growth. So these are the some of the objectives of the management.